I'm Liz and I've traveled to over 40 countries, so I've done a lot of packing. I'm going to share with you some tips and tricks on how to pack for a 10-day vacation, which includes beach, snorkeling, hiking, and excursions. Normally, my challenge is getting a week's worth of clothes into a carry-on, but this time I'm going to go with a check bag. Tip 1 is to have shoe bags and packing cubes ready. If you haven't used packing cubes yet, they will change the way you pack, so definitely watch my other videos on why and how to use packing cubes. I'm bringing my own snorkel and fin set because I just trust the way they fit, and also I know it's clean. I like collapsible bags for the beach and also for shopping in case you need to pick up some groceries. I'm putting all the large and heavy items at the right side toward the wheels, including liquids. I put my liquids in a Ziploc bag. You should also bring an extra Ziploc bag for the beach. It's great for storing your mobile phones to keep them sand-free. I repackaged my makeup remover and also conditioner. I find a lot of European countries don't carry conditioner. This is optional, but I always carry a first aid kit and a hat. Shoes will take up the most space in your luggage, so choose wisely. I'm taking a nice pair of sandals, hiking sandals, and also flip-flops, and I'll be wearing my sneakers on the plane. 3 pairs of shoes fit in one small shoe bag. Next, I plan out all my outfits. I know I'm going to have 2 to 3 nice dinners out, and everything in my suitcase is made to mix and match with each other. I'm realizing all these clothes look really wrinkly. I'm going to iron these after the video is made, but I'm going to stack them all on the left side. For the beach, swimsuits, rash guard, and shorts, plus the cover-up all fit in this small packing cube. Put that on the left, and then move on to your bras, socks, and underwears in this long packing cube, which fits right in the space on the right. I roll all of my other clothes, and then I shove them into all of the spaces in between on the top and sides of your suitcase. My toiletry bag is always pretty bulky and heavy, so I leave a space for it in the bottom right. Add in my makeup bag and just a couple more things, and I'm done. Always check the weight, and you don't need a fancy suitcase weigher. Just use your bathroom scale. Even though I'm done with the suitcase, I still have a whole bunch of stuff I need to put in my backpack to take on the plane. I'm going to show you what I put into my carry-on for a transatlantic flight. We're going to Europe, so the first thing you got to make sure you have are the power adapters. So this kind of adapter, which you might see, is pretty common, but I don't really like it because it's very large, it's bulky, and it really only has the EU adapters on it. This is a better option. This actually has multiple different areas, and you just have to interchange them, and the Europe one is actually just this one. It's quite small and convenient. I just bought a new adapter, which is this one, and actually like the most. This actually has options for US, UK, and Australia, which you just choose on the side, depending on which one you're using. Retract it. It's got this one. And then also you can charge 4 devices simultaneously with the USB ports, and it also even has a Type-C on the side. So for the size, this really is like the best adapter. I don't generally bring really valuable jewelry with me when I travel, but if I do, I put it in a travel jewelry box, and I always keep this on my carry-on. For charging, don't forget your cords. I like to store all my cords in this little clamshell. My mom gave this to me actually, and it's really great because you can put the different kind of cords in these areas. It keeps them all organized so you don't have tangled cords all over the place. And the best part is when I'm reaching into my bag trying to find my cords, this thing, you can feel it and you just grab it easily. I always bring a water bottle with me. This one is great. It's a nice travel size, and it does expand to a larger size if you need it. And because you never know if there's going to be any airplane delays, I always bring tons of snacks, which includes Kind bars, any kind of nut. My favorite, which is Chex Mix. I'm not going to eat all of this on the plane. I'm saving this for the beach. Don't forget your passport or your beach book. And then I always also do a hard copy of my itinerary, and I put it in a plastic sleeve. A couple more little things and you're ready to go. You can find links to some of these items on my website. Check the link in my bio. Like, follow, and share for more tips on how to travel smart. See you out there.